Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to delete your Snapchat account. If you ever want to take a break on Snapchat or delete your Snapchat account just because you don't want to use it anymore, then here's a quick tutorial on how you can do it easily. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. First, go to Snapchat Accounts portal. You can do that by going to a web browser, since you won't be able to delete your Snapchat account from your application. In the search box, type in www.snapchat.com. Once you do that, you'll end up in this page over here, which looks like this. Tap the hamburger menu at the upper left-hand corner and select Snapchat. Now, go to Support and tap it on. You'll end up in the Snapchat support page, which looks like this. Scroll a bit down and tap on My Account and Security. From the menu that pops up, select Delete My Account. You can go ahead and go through the information on what it has to say. It says that after you delete your Snapchat account, it will first be deactivated for 30 days, and after 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. So if you ever change your mind after deletion and you'd like to get access to your account back again, then you can go ahead and try logging into your account within the first 30 days period. In order to permanently delete your account, tap on this Go to Account Portal link, and in the login area, type in your username or your email and then your password. After you're done, click I'm not a robot. Verify that you are not a robot and tap Verify. Now tap on the Login button. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the Delete Account page. Type in your password one more time in the text box that appears right beneath your username. After you're done, tap Continue. Right after that, you'll be able to see that your account has been deactivated. Remember that if you try logging in back to your Snapchat account within the 30 days period, then you'll be able to reactivate your account. If you leave it like that, then after 30 days, your account will be deleted permanently. That is how you can easily delete your Snapchat account if you no longer want to use it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.